So we opened it up and found out that the wires are green.
Yeah. Gotta zoom in there. I don't know if they can see it, but yeah, that contact is shot. So hook it to this one, or bypass the switch. That's the switch.
Yeah, it works fine.
Works fine. So it's just these little contacts have gone, well, they've gone green. And not in the fuzzy Kermit the Frog way. So I'm going to have to make up some new lugs and rewire this little guy.
Well, maybe that's why it's been having fits.
Yes, that's definitely going to have on the landscape. Maybe I just need to do this one. The other one's not in real bad shape. But yeah, I'm going to recrimp these wires if I've got the right lugs. And for my next trick,
Right?
alright. Yeah.
We have a functional water pump. So, this is the part that was all green and gross and disgusting. We had to cut it off and replace this metal piece. He actually had one of these. So, pop that on there, and then we had to basically resuscitate the damn water pump because it had basically been emptied of all the water.
Lost prime.
So,
Lost prime really bad.
did you just toss all of that water I put in there?
Is that what you put in there? I didn't know where it came from. I'm sorry.
Well, do me a favor and put that water into your thing.
Okay.
Because that's fresh from the tap.
Okay.
And I rinsed it twice, so it shouldn't have any crap in it.
Well, now that you have to lug your own water, you see what the deal is, but don't waste that.
No! I don't like wasting anything, let alone water.
And the sweat it takes to go get it.
Yes. So anyway, yay. And that is the green bit. That is obviously not good. That is not on there anymore. Yay.